on YouTube. This is Curly one more time. Doing a sound test. I'm gonna walk up to it just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. This is my backyard and a good spot to do it.
It's how to be broke, go do somebody. Go look for a job, go do somebody. Ain't nothing gonna change, go do somebody, do somebody. Tired of looking like a lame, go do somebody. Wanna show me your man, go do somebody. Wanna raise your family, go do somebody. Get the game with your head and go do somebody. For your wife and find her, do somebody.
There it is, YouTube. It ain't finished yet. I got some more to come. I got 4 more 6x9s. Got a little birthday present for my wife. I thought I'd let y'all hear it. There it is. Appreciate y'all's time now. Y'all keep up with me.